All right, I just wanted to do a little follow-up video with Khaleesi from the first session when I was training her just to go to the kennel on command. And she's doing really good now. She's in there right now, sitting right there. And she hasn't come out, and the door's open. And she's not standing up, stiff, and drooling. Please come. Good girl. Please. Kennel. Come on, kennel. Yes. Break. Good girl. So we're not using the e-collar on this anymore, but she knows how to do it. So now it's more up to me to verbally get her to do what I want to do. Kennel. Yes. So all I'm doing now is just, she goes, now I want to make the kennel fun. It's not go to the kennel here in trouble now. Now the kennel is a game. Break. Yes. Kennel. Yes. Now just said because her foot was on that door. I want her feet behind the threshold of the door. I don't want her starting to creep her feet out over the edge onto the concrete. Her feet need to stay behind that door threshold. Right. Good girl. Oh, good girl. Good. Yes. Please. Kill. Yes. Break. Good girl, please. Now we're also working on, when I put her in a place, I want her to automatically go into a down. Khaleesi. Yes. So I just wait it out. It's a waiting game. She knows down, she knows sit, she knows place. So now I just sit there and I wait until they start offering the behavior I want. As soon as she goes into a down, yes, I reward her. And then they get pretty quick at it. Break. Good girl. Place. Yes. So I could tell she kind of froze up there a little bit, so I had to help her out with a to remind her that, hey, we're still doing this. Break. Good girl. Place. Yes. So that time was a lot faster. That was a lot faster. Let's see if it gets faster on the next one. Break. Place. Place. Yes. Good girl. So you get the idea. Quick. You get the idea. Let them think it out for themselves. Make them use their head. And in the long run, you're doing less teaching and letting them figure it out on their own. So it's kind of easier that way. It takes more patience, but balances itself out. All right, we'll see you later, and toodles.